So Thailand, that's my favorite. I spent 15 days in Thailand. It's amazing, beautiful country. I suggest you get a tourist agent because they're gonna put you together with somebody else who visiting Thailand. Like everybody's tourists. They coming from Australia, they coming from UK, Europe. So everybody going to the same place, the same trip, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna meet a lot of different people from everywhere. They're gonna do all your schedule, like put you 3 days one island, 4 days another island, 3 days another island. You're gonna move from one island to another island by boat, like 3 hours by boat. It's really nice. They're gonna schedule all your trip, but make sure, guys, if you wanna do it yourself, you can. I'm just saying, once you get in Bangkok, Thailand, they're gonna offer you straight away too many options. Please don't stay more than 1 day in Bangkok, because you have to arrive in Bangkok, but move out most fast you can. You can visit a lot of islands. Everything is really cheap. I rent a motorbike 24 hours. I pay only $5. That's unbelievable. If you like nature, so you have to visit Thailand. The food is really good. You can get seafood, local food, another type of strange and exotic foods. You can get it in Thailand. And always you're gonna meet somebody else who coming from Australia, UK, and another countries close by Thailand. They treat you so good. The people is really friendly. The food is so amazing. Everything is really cheap. Thailand people is so friendly. They're gonna offer you to buy a lot of stuff. Always they're gonna offer you buy it. So if you say no, they're gonna give you 30% discount. If you say no, they're gonna give you 50% discount. That's the way, alright? And remember, once a month they have a full moon party. It's just 1 or 2 days party on front of the beach. Like all parties free. Has a DJ, music, many people, many tourists come from everywhere and meet the same place. Full moon party. How I said, that's my favorite place. That's what I really love it. I wanna come back there.